In the ancient period, there is one more interesting thing which I thought I should just bring it to your notice. So, which I said, so root 2 we find expressions, rational approximations for surds. Some surds we find in actual numerical value given in Shulva Sutras. But Shulva Sutras also give you a geometrical way of determining root n. So that is what this Katyayana Shulva Sutra gives. This is a brilliant way by which you will be able to simply make a measurement of approximate value of root n, whatever you want to determine. So how does it go about? See, this is the prescription. See, Yavanti Chaturashrani Ekikartum Chikirishet. That is how the sutra will proceed. So as many squares as you want to club, which means it can be n. So you want to determine root n. Okay, so that the total area is n times the original area. So it is in this context this sutra is prescribed. And what is interesting to note here is this prescription by the author that you measure what is AD will give you root n. It would be impossible for anybody to come up with this prescription unless he had worked out the necessary algebra by this procedure. Okay? So you should have done this algebra, then only you will be able to say, you take a measure n minus 1a, this time n plus 1 by 8, a by into a by 2 by this side, and then you measure this, that will give you root n times a. So this would be impossible unless he has done this. Now the point to be noted here is, so there is a blend of geometry, arithmetic and algebra which you can see in this simple prescription of finding root n. Okay? So this is a very, very simple, nice, elegant way of determining root n.